Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids class name. Blue color, black color, yellow color, red color, light green color, dark green color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color O N E 1, 2 T W O 2. Kids again use blue color and draw 3 T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4 F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5 F I V E 5. And again use blue color. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use black color S I X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7 and again use black color S E V E and 7. Kids now draw 8. The numbers of 8 E I G H T 8. 9 N I N E 9. And again use black color. Kids now draw 10. The numbers of 10 T E and 10. And again use black color. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color. Kids now draw 12. The numbers of 12 and again use yellow color. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids lastly draw the numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use red color. 17. The numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18 and again use red color. Kids now draw 19. The numbers of 19. Kids lastly draw 20. The numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.